Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Hangover Massala Toast. As hangover cures go, it's not quite up there with a bacon sandwich, but it's vegetarian and very tasty. So if you're feeling quite delicate one morning, give it a go. As normal, the fullest ingredients are on screen now. Okay, to make this masala toast, first thing you do is crack 2 eggs into a suitably sized bowl. Then add the tomatoes, onions, chilies and garlic and the spices. And the spices are half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, mustard seeds, chili powder, ground cumin, turmeric and fenugreek leaves. Not forgetting salt and pepper to taste. Then simply mix them all together, as you see here. Then when you're ready to cook, pour the mixture into a shallow dish, similar to what you see here. Next thing is melt a knob of butter in a frying pan. And while the butter is heating up, take a slice of bread and dip it into the egg mixture. Turn it over and make sure it's well coated. Then it's off to the frying pan. Then do the same with the next slice of bread. Making sure it's well coated in the mixture. I can't guarantee this is going to cure your hangover, but what could possibly go wrong? Continue to fry on a medium heat for 2 or 3 minutes, turning occasionally. Then when the egg mixture is set and it's taken on a lovely golden brown colour, you're ready to serve. As normal, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.